Well, people, my YouTube family, we're out here doing a little spring planting. We're setting out fruit trees today using a little chicken salad. So we're going to let you watch a little bit as we go through and do what we do. Won't be talking much on this video, but we're going to let you do what you do. Rudy and myself are trying to set out some fruit trees. Already got the fruit blooms on. Rudy giving me some lessons. I'm learning really. We're going to put that. Yeah, we should be able to put that one. Go down just a little bit. About right there. We're using a little chicken salad with this now. For you those of you who don't know what chicken salad is, we'll explain it to you later.
Chicken very cool.
Yep. This is looks like this is a Harold Havens. Harold Havens fruit tree, supposed to be one of the Freestone family. I don't know exactly what it is, but we got them over there at the local store. Already got blooms on it. So maybe perhaps we'll get maybe one peach off of it. If we don't get but one off of it this year, that'd be good. Trying to get ready to get a little something here. Raise something that's going to be eatable. Not looking pretty, but eatable. This one is a contender tree that we're getting ready to set out. All of these, as I said, is supposed to be part of the Freestone peach family. It's supposed to be. But when you buy them, like I bought these, you really don't know what they are until they're actually better. I'm going to cut this thing here really and let you have it. I'm going to film you cut the thing over so explain to them what you're doing.
When you set that tree, you take your bucket off. Always cut 4 ways. Give your roots a chance to expand quickly.
Shut up, Spanky.
Give your roots a chance to expand quickly. You shouldn't have a problem out of it. Try not to cut the main tap root. Don't do it.
Spanky, shut up.
There you do it. So, you can put the bottom if you can or you can't. It don't really matter. Alright, get the tree straight. About where you want it.
Got that chicken salad in the bottom of it.
Got the chicken salad with that ranch dressing on it.
Yeah, I got that chicken salad in that bottom of it.
And then we set them out like that. Put all the dirt around.
So that Rudy gets down there and make love to the earth.
Yeah.
He get down on the ground, he gets with it.
Yeah. Love it to like it.
I heard that. Love it, you like it. That's a good one. Of course, Rudy can come up with some of the craziest saying I have heard in my life. Have me laughing all the time.
Then you're going to pack it out at the chop down the bottom down there. Pack it right in the tree just like you do centerfold. And when your air, get all your air, keep your air get down there.
Talk a little bit louder there, Rudy.
Pack it real tight so won't no air get down in there. Get all your air out. And then you go ahead and do the rest of your dirt. When I do my dirt, I usually build me a little pond around it. So I don't have to get out here and water it most often. The pond will catch the water and hold it right there till it's soaked in the ground.
Yeah, what the forecast called for today, people, we supposed to get some more rain today and tomorrow.
So this is tree setting season.
So Rudy said this is tree setting season. If you're going to set some trees out, it's time to get with it.
Don't be surprised if the bloom fall off. It don't matter. As long as it's still green.
People, they got these trees on sale now at your local store. Not calling any name because we're not giving any free advertising. No free advertisement. We're not trying to advertise for anybody. But you can find these fruit trees on sale right now if you really want fruit trees. You don't need that much of property, that much land. The only thing you need is maybe a nice sized yard. Really not a really big yard, but fair sized yard where your tree, because your tree is not going to stay small like this all the time. This is not a dwarf. It's going to be a big tree.
These trees 10 foot, any other trees 15 to 25 foot.
Right. So I'm trying to put these kind of close so I can take care of them and watch them and make sure I got them so I can water them. That's why I'm putting them close to the house here. We got several other trees here that we got. Been here a few years. Really trying to get these crepe myrtles straightened up here. Get them trimmed up. But anyway, people, that's Rudy Root setting out these fruit trees, peach trees, using that chicken salad. So give us a like and a share and check us out. That'll be Babbitt with Arthur Butler and his sidekick, Rudy Root.